College Women's Team Division 1, CSP 2 versus UP 2. Please get your draw slip. CSP 2 versus UP 2, Women's Team. Men's Singles Semifinal Match. Tormis LJ versus Torres Morrison. Tormis LJ versus Torres Morrison. Please proceed to table 2. College Women's Team Division 1. UP 1 versus CSB 1. Women's Team Division 1, UP 1 versus CSB 1. Please get your draw slip. Men's Team Division 1, CSB 1 versus FEU 2. Please get your draw slip. CSB 1 and FEU 2. Men's Team. College Women's Team Division 1, USTA versus San Beda. Please get your draw slip. USTA and San Beda, Women's Team. College Men's Team Division 1, FEU 1 versus Perpetual. FEU 1 versus Perpetual Men's Team. Please get your draw slip. Men's Team Division 1, UP 2 versus DLSU 1. Please get your draw slip. UP 2 and DLSU 1 Men's Team. Men's Team Division 1, Ateneo 1 versus DLSU 2. Please get your draw slip. Ateneo 1 and DLSU 2 Men's Team. Men's Team Division 1, UST 1 versus San Beda. Please get your draw slip. UST 1 and San Beda Men's Team.